that there is work to do for all of us. Work in terms of the reforms that have been discussed also by my colleagues and that are going to help, as we desire, the people that live here in the different countries. So we're going to strengthen the climate for entrepreneurship. We're going to work further on developing education and the link between education and the labor market. We're going to work on making sure that also in the future the healthcare systems will be payable, will be there. We're going to work on new tax reforms, and we're going to make sure that all of this can be done by governments that are strong enough and supported by the Netherlands in order to do what needs to be done. So I'm very happy with the agreements that we made. I'm very happy also with the atmosphere in which we made the agreements, and therefore I also look forward to not only finalizing what we have agreed upon, because we made this headlines agreement or principles agreement. We're going to write it further down and hopefully are going to make sure that we are able to sign this agreement early March of this year. And I'm looking forward to having that, putting my signature together with my colleagues to make sure that this is all going to happen in the progress of and the good for everyone in the kingdom. Thank you.